KyReviews, and today I'm coming to you guys with this bold yellow unit. I miss my bold colors, y'all, but today I'm showing you this beautiful 30-inch bold yellow unit. She is wild yellow, like she's very yellow and beautiful. I love it. It has like no dark roots or anything like that, which I love. It's just straight on yellow, just how I like it. This one is from Amazon, of course, and this one I purchased. So this is nobody said this to me, but here is what the packaging looks like once you purchase it. Here it's from their party collection, and the name of the hair is Enjoy the Difference. That's the name of their company, and this is in the style Lady Bang HF, as you can see right here. And the color they describe this is as HTY2C. So that's what they call this, but I will call it a nice bright neon yellow. I love the bang of this as well. It's thick and it's not too sparse as some of the other wigs I reviewed, which the bang wasn't as, full, but this one is. Once you comb it down a little bit, it will full out. This wig has no combs, just adjustable straps, so it's perfect. And if you guys are thinking about a last minute Halloween look, you could go as KyReviews. So you guys could definitely go as B. It's very fabulous, it's very bold, and it's very KyReviews. So if you're thinking about a look, you could definitely go as B. But anyway, on a serious note, I would leave links to this unit where you can purchase it on Amazon. I checked recently, but I don't think they have the yellow. They may have it by now. By the time you get to this video, they may have it, but they have blue, they have pink, they have all sorts of other colors as well. So if you guys are interested in this unit, I will leave the link down below where you can purchase it. But this hair is so fabulous. I just love it. It's just giving me a whole vibe, as y'all could tell. I'm really feeling myself in this unit. It's not much to speak on it. Of course, it will tangle because it's quite long, so it is going to tangle, and it is heat safe. So don't worry about it if you want to straighten it out a little bit, because it does have a little waviness to it at the ends. So if you want it to be a little bit more straight, you can definitely add a flat iron to it if you want to. But yeah, this unit is very pretty. Not your everyday look, but it's definitely something that you can use. You have to pull it off, so you can either pull it off or how I did it here, or you could do something else. Be creative. This will be in my playlist for Are You Bold Enough playlist. So if you guys are interested in any other colorful units that you may like, I will have this and other ones there, so you guys could check it out. But anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know down below if you like this wig. Tell me if you're gonna even rock this color. And also don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, as well as follow me on my Instagram. You will see photos there, and as well as other things. Check out my Instagram page, and I'll see you guys in another video. Take care. Bye.